Hey everybody, it's Lori with Team Cashy. I'm here today at 6807 46 Terrace East in the Crossing Creek neighborhood of Bradenton. When you walk into this just under 3,000 square foot home, you'll see two-story entryway, voluminous ceilings everywhere, tons of natural light. You've got beautiful windows all around the formal dining room, as well as the entryway that is a leaded glass front door. You also have what would be a formal living area over here, which is currently being used as a music room, which I think is kind of cool. You also have your stairwell, which is leading up to the second floor of the home, which has 4 full bedrooms, a loft area, and 3 full baths, along with your laundry room. Really nice amenity to this house is this totally redone kitchen. A few years ago, these guys added all new cabinetry, crown molding, tons of storage. Look at all those pull outs. All of the drawers are soft close. You've got drawers everywhere all along this island. A giant piece of granite in the center for all the workspace that you might need. Stainless steel appliances here, which are really nice as well. And then this, which would typically be used as the breakfast nook, is currently being used as just sort of like a little entertainment area. So lounging around, having your glass of wine in the evening or your coffee in the morning. It opens up into the great room over here, which is really nice. And then you have your 5th bedroom also on the 1st floor. 5th bedroom is around the corner, and there is a totally renovated 1st floor bath there also. But really the coup de grace of this home is what's outside. It's absolutely stunning. You walk out, oh, and I want to mention also, all of the windows and the sliders have been replaced with PGT Hurricane resistant windows. So super, really nice thing to have. As you walk out here, you're onto the totally fenced yard. And this yard is oversized for this area, 100%. It is just over 1/4 of an acre, which is highly unusual. Gorgeous pool in the background, professionally landscaped. Does have an avocado tree. You've got your own citrus tree back here. So it's tons of room for you to play, and beautiful outdoor space, tile roof. Crossing Creek is an awesome neighborhood. HOA fees here are just under $110 a month, which is really inexpensive, and you're in an awesome location. So coming on the market tomorrow, give us a call. Let's go upstairs to the 2nd floor and check out the bedrooms. When you get up onto the 2nd floor, the first thing you're gonna see is the primary suite, which does have double French doors, which I think is really nice. Also, same paint throughout. As I mentioned, the entire home has been repainted. So you've got really nice, neutral, soft white paint in here. Again, all new windows throughout, so they're all hurricane resistant. You have 2 closets over here, full bath in the back, which is really nice as well. Also, it has undergone a renovation since the home was built. It does have some nice dark cabinetry in here, updated granite countertops. Another thing I really like about this is these blinds. I love the blinds, how they can go up or down in here. You can see all of the greenery and the sun without sacrificing any of your privacy. So this area is really nice. Out of the master, you go to your right and you've got this really cool little loft area that overlooks the rest of the house. These guys have utilized it as an office space, which I think is really clever. And again, you've got the nice view up here, so you see all of the windows. Another full bedroom over here, en suite with its own full bath.